Good morning everyone, welcome to unboxing video. It should be Thursday on your calendar and it's supposed to be 2 videos today, so if you missed one, check it out. There will be cross-stitch unboxing. What is it, 5 or 6 designs? 6 I believe designs of cross-stitch and accessories from Letty Stitch, and beautiful diamond paint. And that at this point you already know more than I am, because I have a few of the other companies with the same black boxes, so I'm not sure from who this design, so we have to open to see. All right, so all the link will be, well, it's actually one design in here, so link will be and discount code for the store will be on the description box under my video, so check it out and let's see what we have in here, because it's something big, something pretty, and I think many of you are going to love it. This is the velvet canvas. Oh, METODEALS. Okay, now we know that's a big pack of diamonds, and I see something shiny and a whole bunch of tools, a whole bunch of extra wax. Let me show you design first. Oh my goodness, more wax and one single diamond in here that doesn't belong in here. This is round diamond, but we have a square in this. Let's check it out. Oh my lord, that is beautiful. That is gorgeous. So I was thinking, because this is Year of Horse, look at that. What a beautiful colors. And well, it's not exactly horse for the year, because Year of the Fire Horse, I believe, this year. But it's still, you know, if you don't have any, this would be perfect for you to work on. Of course, I order bigger size, so it will be better for you to see design, will be less pixelated, but you can choose your own size. There's a many different variety of sizes. Also, you want maybe round diamonds instead of square. Me personally, I like the square diamonds is my favorite, but it's much easier to place round diamonds. So it's whatever you want to do. Is wow, that's such a pretty design. It's like a watercolor. And this design is actually a really big one, 60 by 90 centimeters, the whole canvas. And what's so special about it, let's check it out. Usually those canvases are very glittery. Yeah, and here we have like a good sparks of glitter. Let me show you more close. Let me show you more close, all those glitter specks. Yes, I think you can see, yeah? And also the clarity of the print and like the glossy, good thick layer of glue, which is really nice. And then we have some specialty diamonds with it. So I decided to go with square diamonds, and this design have 45 amazing colors. And from this 45 colors we have in here, let me look more close, and here AB. Oh, we have a different kind of diamonds in here. So we have a fairy dust, 1 2 3 4 5 colors, and AB diamonds, 1 2 3 4 5 colors. Ooh, plus like a regular resin. So this canvas is loaded with good stuff. Now about the tools, what we have in here, I have lots of wax. They are very generous on wax, I have to say. There's a 4 little squares in here, 4 little squares in here, and then we have more 2 squares in here. White medium-sized tray, 1 placer, and this metal, aluminum, whatever, tweezers. Now tell me if this is tool that's necessary for you to have in this kit. Yes or no, because I don't use them. to me they don't work, so I don't know. I would just have a without that, but you can comment if you like that or not. So I'm just going to put all this wax together in this bag. I want to see all the special diamonds we have in here. Let's see, the pack looking, oh, that's so pretty. I spy with my little eye up there. Let's check it out. Big bag of AB diamonds in here. Oh, that's nice. Who remember my design of the vase with the flowers? There was lots of AB colors. I was so happy. It was looking so good. But look at this big bag. Again, full. This is generous. No one store will give you this many diamonds of AB. Usually it's like little tiny. Many stores choose for the specialty of diamonds less color, so they don't have to place such a big order of them because they are expensive, right, to order. So this is incredible. This is incredible. That's a big bag. And then we have, let's just open all of them like this. Put this aside and let's see what's this paper going to say to us. Okay, so 60 by 90 centimeters, and basically everything that I already told you. And here's a little tiny design that you can see probably good in the full thing. Very beautiful, this art. I love it. Check it out, store for more. There's a much more new designs already downloaded to the store. Oh, look at this big bag of pinks. This is just a regular pinks, but look how many. Such a pretty color. So I have to find the specialty. Usually they all kind of together in here should be. So I have one more of AB. I need probably a little bit close to me. Okay, this one is super juicy. Look how sparkle. Gorgeous. Here is number 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 2 colors of blue and 1 of pink. So yeah, this is like just a little bit of each color of the AB. But this one too is lots. So this is our AB. Now let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is fairy dust and fairy dust. Oh, I wish they wouldn't do like such a close color because they look almost the same. What is this? Is fairy dust? Look at this big 21. No, this is not going to be fairy dust, but look how beautiful color, big bag. This too is a fairy dust, but they are very similar in color. That's not gonna make a big difference, I would say. And we should have something more. They kind of hard to see them. Okay, here it is. That's a lots of beads of them. Purple fairy dust. Look how beautiful the shine up there. So let's see, we have to find 2 more. 2 more of fairy dust. They kind of hard to spot them because they looks like a very slight shimmer. So let's see. Where are you? Where are you? Come on, come on, come on. Wherever you are. Oh, that's gonna be tricky. I need to look for the numbers. What numbers in a paper? Just a minute. So it's a 40, 38, oh, 36, 37, 38. So what kind of colors that would be? Oh, maybe this one or not. No, that's not. It's like a scavenger hunt. I flipped them kind of inside out. Look at this big bag of gray color. Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing in here. That's a big bag. It's probably 310 because it looks like a bag inside of the bag, so I cannot see the DMC, but definitely looks like a big bag of black for the horse itself. But where is the... Oh, 38, is it? 38, yes, 38. So this is fairy dust brown. Okay, we found. Okay, so one more left. What we have in here? 36. Yes, so 36, 42, I need 41. Yeah, this is 41. 38, 37. Okay, I need to find the 37 number. 37, so I have to flip them to the color, I mean to the DMC, no, to the bed number. That's what I need to find. Where are they? I will find it, don't you worry. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's gonna take a time from you, but yeah, would you like to know which color we need to look? Oh, maybe this, no, that's a 31. Do we need a 30? No, it's not. I'm confused in here. It feels like I flip already every color and I don't see it. Why? Why? This is 30, 32. I think I need to find a 37. That's what I would need to find. And every time when you try to find a quicker, it doesn't work like that, but I'm sure it's not missing bag. No. Okay, so 36, 37. 41, 42. So it's in here on the bottom, 41, 42. And then I have a 38. So 36, 37. Oh, so it's mean two more. 36 or is 37. Where are they? Hold on, push my chair back. Now I'm really in trouble if I don't find them. No, this is all correct. So could it be possible I'm missing diamonds in here? 35. Okay, I'm looking at one more time, all of them. Is this the one? Could be possible. Oh, you know what it is? Oh, so 37. Usually 310 go in the miracle number, but because it's a specialty, so all this big bag, it's a AB diamonds, black color, 310. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but oh yeah, wow, okay, that's amazing. So that's the one because I couldn't see the sticker. So big bag of AB, wow, that is extremely special. So now I need like a one more and I just blind and not see it. Now I'm sure it's in here. If I miss it, okay, so what am I missing in here? Oh no, I have it now, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we all now good. Woo! Okay, thank goodness we have all. We have all. So look at the beautiful colors, and then just to show you a few of the colors, there is just the regular colors. Look at this pink arrangement. Oh, look how pretty. This is so pretty. And then we have, like, for example, from this one, look at that kinda in here, those colors, plus with this one, like this bright one, so pretty. I love these two colors together. It's like the best combo, maybe even like that. Oh, this is amazing combo together. I love that. So what do you think, my friends? I think this is so pretty canvas, such a beautiful. Let's enjoy this horsey. It has two separate sheets to separate your canvas in half, so you can do, you know, peel in here. There's the thin squeaky sheets, so you can peel it from one side, go all the way down, and then from another side, so it's easy to kind of work on it. Or just like a peel it one side to a little bit, and the other side you just keep go by section. So this is very pretty canvas. Oh, love this design. Look at the arrangement of flowers around. I'm so in love. I'm so in love. To be honest, that horse design of cross stitch just for some reason doesn't go for me. So I don't know, maybe I should just go ahead and do this one for the year of the horse. What do you think? This would be so beautiful. Wow, I love horses. We used to have horses back home. Yeah. That's it for today. This is just a one video, plus you have one canvas, plus you have a second video to watch. So I hope this gonna make you happy. If you're looking for something to look on a on the internet, you know, you're bored, you're home alone, maybe, there you go. Nataliya made you 2 videos, and OMG, look at those big. So this is huge. This is huge to have a special diamonds, AB diamonds and fairy dust in this quantity. That is really generous, really generous. So I love it. Okay, a link under my video, discount code, I believe 10%. You can save some money, or it's a 15%. No, I think it's 10. Check it out. All information will be under the video. Love you, my friends, and I will see you tomorrow.